What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy the real J3RT, and I'm back with another video, man. Today is gonna be quick and simple. We doing flybys in the RT since I realized ever since I put on the long tube headers, I haven't done a single flyby. So we're gonna take a nice little trip to my favorite spot in the world, Doty Road, and we're gonna just do a couple flybys, man. And that pretty much is gonna be the premise of the video. I do not want this to be too long because it is just flybys. So I'll get back to y'all when I'm at the spot, and we're gonna enjoy our time, man. Love and appreciate y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. But before anything, man, let me hit y'all with a cold start. Y'all gotta hear the way this bad boy sounds. Alright, so as y'all can see, I'm at the spot. I'm so tired of these birds, bro. Just stay, look at this, man. But as y'all can see, I'm at the spot, man. I'm about to get ready to hit a couple little flybys, like I said. But this is the beautiful place. I don't want to show too much, but this is my favorite little spot right here. It's real coastal. This out of the States, man. So y'all can't even find this ain't even a place you can just drive straight to. I literally teleported over here. But we about to go ahead. I'm gonna set y'all up so I can do the flybys, and I might mess around and do a couple little rolling burnouts and all that good stuff. We're gonna see how it go. It is a little bit active today, so there's a couple little cars, trucks passing. We're gonna get something for y'all though. So now that y'all seen that, I'm about to go ahead and do a couple little rolling burnouts, just a little practice, just so y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, what it look like. And this will be my first time really seeing what it look like from the outside, because I don't have too many videos of any flybys and none of that good stuff. So I'm gonna set y'all up again, and we're gonna go ahead and do a couple flybys. Then I'm gonna get about this spot. What's up, family, man? I was getting ready to do a little special thing or some sliding, but I ended up having to stop because there's something going on with my suspension that I gotta get looked over. Because the last time I was sliding, I don't know, I guess something got loose. I don't know if it's just a weird noise coming from my passenger side, and I don't feel comfortable sliding for y'all. So I'm gonna try my best to get a video out for y'all dedicated to none but me sliding, whether it be me bending the corners or going into a couple little spots that I know to slide. Because I've been real excited since I learned and I got this 3.09 differential. For those who don't know, I ended up putting on the Scat Pack differential, and I think the last two videos ago, I think it was right after the one where they had tried to strike my car, I have a video of me pretty much going to the mechanic having it put in. But yeah, I love and appreciate y'all, man. Thank you so much for watching the video. And man, look, for real, I'm trying to run this up, man. This summer is about to be my summer. And I've been sitting, taking inspiration from a couple other little YouTubers, especially the ones that's around. And we about to have a lot of little lit content, man. So I can't wait to get this stuff together, man. And I hope y'all stay tuned for the next one, man. It's your boy, the real J3RT, and I'm clocking out, man. I love and appreciate y'all. Bye.